Here's some items I usually bring to the range. Always bring a little toolkit, and this is of course an AR-15 toolkit. But also bring my MUT multi-tool. And I'm going to be doing some scope adjustments, so I brought some of my hex keys just for doing that, and then of course a nice pair of safety glasses. Here I have my sandbags. You can adjust the turrets, removing the caps, and then you can lock them down to keep them in place. Well, here's a nice collection of Redhawks.
Dead center.
No kidding.
That was 1,300 feet per second. I go up 1,500.
I love it. This is a great bag, range bag from LA Police Gear, and I've done a review on it. About $19.95, cheap but very durable. I've used this for a number of years, and has a little pocket here. I'm going to be doing some 22 Mark II pistol shooting. Plenty of places for extra magazines too. I've done a review on this bag. It's really a great bag.
This is 180 grain at 1873.
It's going to be like a 22 compared to that 454. Such control. I love it.
Good hold.
I like that.
Good hold.
Yeah. I learned it from the best. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun gun reviews and sensible survival. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Boy, that was control.